Today we're going to talk about the Lightbar button. Underneath the Lightbar button, you have Lightbar Display and Lightbar Setup. The first one we're going to do is Lightbar Display. Under Lightbar Display, remember this is part of your guidance modes. This is where you're able to have different light bars for liquid, dry, and fairy. Under the Load button, it will give you a description of none, default for dry, which is dry, liquid, which is liquid, and fairy, which is fairy. This is your default for liquid guidance mode at the bottom. So we are going to edit our liquid display for our light bar. Text data, top bar, bottom bar, center, and sidebars. Under the text data, you have the spot for the 4 options in your light bar. Ours is set with absolute swath number, ground speed, application, and X-track offset. Under these, you're able to click on them and it gives a multitude of different options that you are able to have on your light bar. Underneath this option, you have a deal called Special Text when setting AB line, which gives you a new option of when you're setting your AB line, what would you like to see on your light bar? Once you've set your AB line, this selection of stuff will be on your light bar through the rest of the job. Under the top bar button, you're able to set your X-track offset lights. When you click on each light, whatever you change on the left side, it will also change on the right side. Underneath your light options is where you're able to set if you want it to be a solid bar on your light bar or just individual lights. Also, this gives you the options for your center LEDs in the very center of your light bar if you would like for those to be lit up, 1 bar light up, or 2 bars light up. Under the bottom bar button is your angle of intercept. And remember, just like your top bar, when you change one side, it will change the other side. With that being said, up underneath is the same idea. You're able to change it from a solid bar to a single button on your LED lights on your light bar. Under your center button, this will be your smiley face. Your smiley face you can do by time or distance, but if you're going to use your smiley face, make sure that under the application button, you're in constant rate poly for your smiley face to be able to work. The last one is your sidebar. The sidebar will be used for ag laser. If you have an ag laser, you're able to set up your sidebars and it will act like a level. The faster the lights go up or down will tell you if you need to go up or down in your settings. Now remember, you have liquid light bar and a dry light bar and fairy. It does not change under the settings. You will need to go to your dry light bar, click edit, and do the same text data, top bar, bottom bar, center bar for each one of your guidance modes. The last button on the left is your Lightbar Setup. This is where you can manually go to adjust the brightness of your light bar, and it also has new options underneath to be able to change from day or night mode, or to be able to change your lights for angle of intercept and X-track. Under the light scheme, you have it where you can change it from blue, green, red, or white. At the bottom of the screen is your double spray, and this is where you're able to set for it to blink your whole light bar when you're a half a swath into the next swath you've already painted. If you do not like it to blink all, you're able to click on that and do a text matrix or an LED matrix or no blinking at all.